righteous and believing God. The immortal and invisible Father. The only true God and the only living God. Father, I lift up their children before you. Father, I pray in your wrath, remember mercy. In your judgment, remember mercy. Father, because mercy rejoices over judgment. And every judgment pass against them because of sin and wickedness and righteousness. Father, I pray, oh God, in your mercy, let their judgment be cancelled. In your mercy, let their judgment be not be found. Father, in your mercy, roll away that evil. Roll away masturbation. Roll away lying. Roll away evil from your children. Roll away all manner of unrighteousness. Roll away worldliness. Roll away, oh God, every evil from your children.